In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize cells columns in Google Sheets. When you're working in Google Sheets, keeping your data readable is key, and that often comes down to getting your column widths just right. There's a quick, precise way to do this without any guesswork, and it takes only a moment. Start by moving your mouse to the very top of the sheet, where you see the column letters, like A, B, and C. You're looking for the thin vertical line that separates one column header from the next. That border is the control point for the column's width. Hover your mouse directly over that line. Don't click yet, just rest the cursor on the border. As you do, watch the cursor change. When you're in exactly the right spot, it will turn into a horizontal double arrow, pointing left and right. That icon tells you Google Sheets is ready to adjust the width of that column. Now, double-click while that double arrow is visible. Immediately, the column will snap to the perfect width to fit your content. Google Sheets looks through that column, finds the widest cell content, and adjusts the column so everything in it is fully visible without cutting off text. This is especially handy when you paste in data, import a CSV, or start typing and realize your labels are getting truncated. Instead of eyeballing the size or dragging borders manually, this double-click gives you a clean, consistent fit in one action. A few clarifications help this feel effortless. This works on columns only and only resizes the one you're targeting. If you try to click before the cursor turns into the double arrow, nothing will change, so make sure you see that icon first. If your cells use wrapped text, the column will fit to the longest line currently visible in that column. If you have very long numbers, dates, or formulas that output lengthy text, the double click will take those into account as well. You can repeat this same move on any other column, one after another, whenever you notice text being clipped. This quick autofit doesn't modify row heights, borders, or formatting. It simply gives your column the space it needs so your data looks clean and professional. It's a small habit that saves time and makes your spreadsheet easier to scan, present, and share. That's all there is to it. Hover over the column border at the top, wait for the double arrow, and double-click to let Google Sheets do the precise resizing for you.